Sachin is not Sachin because he born into the Tendulkar family. The reason why he's Sachin is because of the reputation is the mother of mastery.
Correct.
The doctors told me that I have only 5% chance of walking ever again in my life. Everything happens in your life is because of the things you are connected with. The birds do not fly, they ride the wind, and the fish do not swim, they are carried.
I feel people underestimate the power of small actions so much, and they suffer so much. Like there is a quote, right? Ki we suffer so much in imagination than in reality.
And let me tell you, success always leaves clue.
Nice.
In November 2016, after the 3 attempts,
Oh my God.
I had a moment with my daughter. And that moment, जैसे शाहरुख खान की मूवी में नहीं सब कुछ फ्रीज हो जाता है and there is a wind blowing, and that particular moment the daughter told me in my ears that Papa, you can do it.
People underestimate the power of thought.
Absolutely right.
Like I wouldn't be here if I had never a thought कि अच्छा मुझे ये चीज़ करनी है, मुझे लोगों की life impact करनी है. Like coming back to the why.
95% of the humans on this planet make their decision on the basis of their emotions, because emotions equals motion. Do what your parents have never done.
I had a very difficult childhood. I did my engineering on myself, paid the education loan. I used to survive on a vada pav or something. I was malnourished at that point.
But you do not have to experience the death to start living your life. What is destination? I think the destination is after the death. Until you are breathing, you are not on your destination.
Always a journey.
If you're one of your friend murders someone tomorrow, will you take a blame of him?
So आज का जो पॉडकास्ट है ना ये मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल था बिकॉज दिस इज द फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल गेस्ट दैट आई हैव हैड और हमारी मुलाकात थ्रेड्स पे हुई थी. आज हमने बात ये की है कि कैसे आप अपनी लाइफ को अपनी चॉइस से डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो. टुडे आई हैव जय किशन शर्मा विद मी हु हैज बीन फीचर्ड इनटू फोर्ब्स एंड हिज स्टेटमेंट ऑफ यू नो बाय डिज़ाइन नॉट बाय डिफॉल्ट हिट्स मी हार्ड. और हमने यही कोशिश की है कि नेक्स्ट 1-1.5 घंटे में ना हम आपको ये बता सकें कि यार जो भी आप इल्यूजन्स में जीते हो ना आप उसको ब्रेक करके एक रियलिटी बना सकते हो जो आपके चॉइस की है. सो टुडेज पॉडकास्ट विल हेल्प यू क्रिएट अ लाइफ दैट यू हैव ऑलवेज ड्रीम्ड. एंजॉय द एपिसोड. सो हाय जय, I'm very excited to have you on Dream with Neeraj show, and I would be like very honored to have you because you're coming directly from America to Gujarat, from Ahmedabad to Bombay, and you just landed and we are here.
Just to correct yourself.
Okay.
Not America, Melbourne.
Melbourne. Okay. Okay.
So Melbourne to Singapore, Malaysia, Ahmedabad and Mumbai, and straight to the amazing place we are in today, because I can already feel the energy here. And I think the universe is present here already.
It is.
And let me thank you and pay my gratitude to everything what you are doing and your team is doing. Because I think whatever we are doing, we are putting out something which will make the world a better place.
Definitely. I think इससे प्यारी intention हो नहीं सकती थी to start the podcast itself. And how beautiful it is that we connected through threads.
Yes.
है ना, सो ट्रू. एंड मैं हमेशा एक चीज़ करता हूँ व्हेन आई स्टार्ट दिस पॉडकास्ट इज आई टेल पीपल कि आपको इस 1-1.5 घंटे से क्या मिल रहा है. लाइक आई बिलीव दैट टाइम इज द मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल एसेट दैट यू हैव.
Yes.
राइट. तो आज मैं आपके साथ में एक चीज़ करना चाहता हूँ इज टू हाईलाइट द पावर ऑफ चॉइस.
Yes.
राइट. तो नेक्स्ट 1-1.5 घंटा जितनी भी हम बातें करेंगे वी विल गिव अ पीपल अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप रोड मैप कि आप अपनी लाइफ को अगर आप कहीं पे भी हो, पेन में, किसी भी सिचुएशन में हो, कहीं पे भी हो, किसी सिटी, किसी कंट्री में, हाउ डू यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग दैट चेंज स्टेप बाय स्टेप, शोकेसिंग योर जर्नी, शोकेसिंग माई जर्नी.
Yes.
We both are death survivors.
Exactly.
Right? And we both have achieved something in our life. Right? And that is what all crave for.
Yes.
Right? तो इस चीज से शुरुआत करते हैं.
Definitely. And I think that's what people need.
Exactly.
Right now.
Transformation.
People need transformation, but they need a clarity more than transformation.
Exactly.
The transformation can only take place when you have a clarity. You know, the road to success can only pave the path when you have the clarity. Because nowadays people, you will find that they are so much messy in themselves and around themselves they don't have a clarity. So yes, definitely, let's give them the roadmap.
आज सब क्लियर कर देंगे.
Exactly. आज सब कुछ ठीक हो जाने
आज
वाला है.
सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा भाई. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये पॉडकास्ट देखो तुम और उसके बाद में नोट्स बना लो. स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2, स्टेप 3 एंड आई गारंटी यू इफ यू अप्लाई इवन 10% ऑफ इट योर लाइफ विल शिफ्ट इन अ गुड वे.
And whatever we're going to share, we have applied on our life. That's why we are sitting here. We
That's
are not giving them something which we haven't applied, you know?
Yes.
Because it's proven, it's tested. And let me tell you, success always leaves clue.
Nice.
Okay? The reason why we are sitting here, over here and talking about this and giving this roadmap to other people is because we have achieved that success. And
So
now
true.
it's time to pass it on.
सो ट्रू. और ये पता है कितनी मजेदार चीज होती है जो एक्चुअली में सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हैं इन सम वॉक ऑफ लाइफ. दे एक्चुअली वांट टू शेयर इट विद अदर पीपल.
Yes.
And the people who are really struggling or unsuccessful, they're like, मेरे पास. The more you give, that's how you get more.
You know why? Because they understand the power of appreciation.
Exactly.
Because they change their expectations into appreciation. And once you start doing that, you start falling into the alignment.
So true.
Alignment. Coming in the line.
Coming in the line. I love how you place the word and then break it down. Like,
Yeah.
I'm loving this conversation already. I want to start this with letting you guys know कि मतलब हम जय किशन से बात कर रहे हैं, नीरज से बात कर रहे हैं. जैसे जय किशन ने बोला कि we have achieved something in life and why you should believe us. I think Jay Kishan has, your story has been featured in Forbes. You have done $1 million
Yes.
business, right? You are somebody who faced a very brutal accident, and both of us.
Yes, yes.
And we are sitting here and sort of inspiring people or trying to do good in life.
Yes.
So, and मेरी जब आपसे लास्ट टाइम बात हुई थी उसके बाद से मेरा TED हो गया. How grateful I am to this universe that
Yes.
since I quit my job, जोश हुआ, TED हुआ,
Yes.
created my firm. I'm doing good,
Yes.
and that is why I get to meet people like you.
Exactly
And
right.
This is, I think, God's divine plan or grace plan,
Yes.
that I get right people at the right time,
Yes.
so that journey doesn't stop.
Yes.
See, when I quit, I had nothing.
Mm.
When you talk about capital, you talk about clarity, you talk about anything you want to start with. One good intention, that is all I had. Right? So, मैं इस tangent से पहला step जो हम बात कर रहे थे roadmap का, let's design the life. So, पहला step, let's start with both of our journeys,
Yes.
especially yours. I know that doctor told you कि आपके पास 5% chance है of walking again.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Right? Let's make that as a step 1.
Yes.
You don't know, everybody has a pain. आपके पास भी कुछ ना कुछ होगा problem,
Yes.
right? In
Yes.
our case, it was a physical sort of challenge that we
Yes.
both faced, right? I had my neck broken. Doctor told me a lot of things, like
Yeah.
I got paralyzed and stuff like that, similar to yours.
Yeah.
So how do you start seeking clarity, or should you seek clarity in the phase where it's difficult for you to understand?
See, what I have understood when the doctors told me that I have only 5% chance of walking ever again in my life. And that moment was like running a marathon on a broken leg. But slowly and steadily, when I started self-sabotaging myself, and then in November 2016, after the 3 suicide attempts,
Oh my God.
I had a moment with my daughter. And that moment was like a Shahrukh Khan movie.
अच्छा.
Okay? जैसे शाहरुख खान की मूवी में नहीं सब कुछ फ्रीज हो जाता है and there is a wind blowing, cold breeze, and he is looking in the
वक्त रुक
eyes
गया.
of heroine and heroine is looking into Shahrukh Khan's eyes.
Correct.
That moment I had with my daughter. And that particular moment, the daughter told me in my ears that, Papa, you can do it.
Wow.
And then I had 2 choices. Even though the doctors have told me that I will never walk again or there is 5% chance, I had 2 choices which I need to pick up. One, either I sit and live my life by default, or I should design it as I want it.
Correct.
या तो मैं जो चल रहा है वो
चलने
एक्सेप्ट
दो.
कर लूं
Correct.
और बैठा रहूं और
Correct.
कुछ ना करूं
Correct.
और एक और सुसाइड अटेम्प्ट करूं, या तो फिर आई डू समथिंग अबाउट इट एंड मूव फॉरवर्ड विद gratefulness. And from there, I started stepping into the mindfulness, meditation, मैंने आज तक मेरी लाइफ में, after that incident with my daughter, I never came across a word called mindset. Never. बट मैं जहां भी जा रहा था ना उसके बाद, चाहे वो यूट्यूब था, गूगल था, ठीक है, इंस्टाग्राम था, फेसबुक था. All these entrepreneurs, successful business owners were emphasizing on mindset.
करेक्ट.
मैं बोला साला ये चीज क्या है?
क्या है ये?
ये ना स्कूल में बताया नहीं गया,
हाँ.
कॉलेज में बताया ही नहीं गया, माँ बाप ने कभी बात नहीं की,
करेक्ट.
दोस्त ने भी कभी नहीं बताया कि यार माइंडसेट पे काम करना
हाँ,
चाहिए.
हाँ.
ये साले जो $1 मिलियन कमा रहे हैं वो लोग
हाँ.
माइंडसेट की बात कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, समय की बात कर रहे हैं, माइंडसेट
हाँ.
की बात कर रहे हैं. करेक्ट.
तो मैं आई स्टार्टेड getting into that, and from there I started understanding the human psychology, the emotion,
करेक्ट.
you know.
Correct.
And see, 95% of the humans on this planet make their decision on the basis of their emotions, because emotions equals motion.
Oh.
You see, because every thought in your head comes through your emotion. You might have a 56-inch or 66-inch TV in your bedroom, but you will still go out and buy the 100-inch. Why? You don't need it. But the feeling of getting that 100-inch TV,
Satisfying.
the emotion it attached to, that's what makes the buying power.
Interesting. Interesting.
You know, and from there when I understood कि ये साला game क्या है, you know, why these people are talking about, then I started getting some clear understanding. And then I started trying to break into my limiting beliefs जो मुझे रोक रहे थे. You know, like I'm not worth enough,
Correct.
or I
Correct.
will never be able to walk
Correct.
again,
Correct.
or I am not, you know, going to survive this financial setback which I am
Correct.
facing.
Correct. Correct.
You know, because the day I took my first step in 2019, after 3.5 years, I was in a 75,000 Australian dollars in debt.
That's a huge amount. That's a huge
Yes, it was huge because my mom was begging. She was borrowing money from people on interest. She was borrowing money from people, from the family, so she can support me, because I was the only one who was earning. My wife was expecting the baby when I made into an accident.
Okay.
And the baby was only born 2 months ago. मेरे एक्सीडेंट से 2 महीने पहले ही बेबी का
What year
जन्म
is
हुआ
this?
था. 2015.
2015.
हाँ. So February 2015 I moved into my house, my first ever house I bought. तो जो भी मेरे पास saving था, I have put towards the house.
Okay.
Wife उस टाइम pregnant थी, so she was out of work.
Correct.
अगस्त में बेबी का जन्म हुआ, ठीक है, और अक्टूबर 11th of October I made into an accident.
Oh. 11th you said.
Yes.
You know, funny thing is, I met an accident on 11th of Jan.
See?
Oh, man, this is like, damn. I'm like, now we are like, see how connected we are in a way.
Yes.
11th of Jan, 11th of October. Please carry on the story. But
So-
there's goosebumps.
Huh, so I had no money. So my mom was borrowing money to support me. And the reason of my attempting the suicide was that when I got to, when my wife told me कि mom वो पैसे borrow कर रही है,
correct.
और लोगों के पास जाके ला रही है और पे कर रही है, इधर भेज रही है, तो मैं यार 2200 Australian dollars is my mortgage, which is around 150, 1,15,000 रुपए होते हैं, ठीक
अच्छा.
है, 1,15,000. मेरी my sister was in NGO as a social worker.
Got it.
So how she was making 35,000, 40,000 rupees a month.
Okay.
Mom is a housewife. तो मैं पैसा कहाँ से
Correct.
आ रहा है? And when I came to know that she's borrowing, and it hit me hard. The reason why it hit me hard is because we come from the culture where we has always been told that you are the provider and
Yeah.
you are the protector.
Yeah. Yeah.
And when you, the provider and the protector, is facing such kind of a situation in their life, being a man, that hits you hard. That hits you to the core.
This is a tangent that I've kept, and I know it's इस पे ना बोलूंगा तो थोड़ा सा deep जाना पड़ेगा. So we'll come back to this one
course.
because I feel this is a very unspoken topic and which needs to be spoken about. And so that कि लोगों की वो एक side बाहर आए. Because recently we had International Men's Day. So I'll
Yes.
come back.
Yes.
So पता है क्या होता है जय, with you I want to ask you this is कि हमने जैसे step 1 की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं कि clarity आप वहीं से start करते हो, right?
Yes.
I always tell this to people that don't see clarity at the start. Right, you get it along the way. आपको starting में
Yes.
पता ही नहीं होगा. See, I had no clue that I'll be sitting with you
No.
or anybody who I have met so far, or I would be doing a business, or I would be doing anything.
Yes.
See, it's a phase.
Yes.
You evolve.
Yes.
But the point is, people never start thinking कि मुझे पहले ही पता होगा कि मुझे कैसे जाना है exactly. आपको लाइफ में या तो लेफ्ट लेना है या तो राइट लेना है, एक ही डिसीजन है, या तो yes है या तो no है.
Exactly.
It's not complicated. So I want to ask you this, and I want you to think about this कि you were in pain. 2015, you had so much mortgage है, ये है, चीजें हैं. A lot of negativity in terms of your own mind कि हाँ ठीक है, ये कैसे करूँगा. I don't even know if I will walk again. Right? So how would somebody in that pain get a sliver of hope to start, to have that intentional choice? Because I feel the step 2 is intentional living,
Yes.
where you figured it out, but
Yes.
some people can't.
Can't.
Even I go by this the same word. In fact, I am amazed that you use the same word.
Yeah.
Intentional living.
Yes.
It's a huge thing.
Yes.
People don't. So I want you to think and tell me कि ये कैसे करे कोई?
See, coming back to the thing जो आपने बात की ना कि you don't know from the day one.
Correct.
Even the kids, those who are born, they don't know how to walk from day one.
True.
ठीक है ना? Sachin is not Sachin because he born into the Tendulkar family. The reason why he's Sachin is because of the repetition is the mother of mastery.
Correct.
You see? So if you need a clarity, you need to repeatedly work on yourself to get to that day or the time where you will know that, okay, this is what I want from my life. And that's exactly what I was doing. जो मैंने आपको बताया mindset, mindfulness,
correct.
I was figuring out क्योंकि साला कभी बैठे ही नहीं थे 10 मिनट के लिए
Exactly.
अपने आप के लिए टाइम निकालने के लिए.
Exactly.
What was self love? What was self care? ये कोई
टॉपिक ही नहीं था.
टॉपिक ही नहीं था दिमाग में.
Correct.
But when understood, when started learning about it, what is the importance, why Buddha was Buddha, why Dalai Lama is Dalai Lama, there is a reason behind that.
True.
True. Because they have the life of intentional living.
True.
है ना? पर वो intentional living तक पहुंचने के लिए need a clarity. And the clarity will come from process.
Correct.
Structure, start, middle and end.
Nice.
The reason why people, मैंने start में क्या बोला, the reason why people have a messy life is because they don't have structure, they don't have clarity. Now we have a structure. The way we have planned
Correct.
our trip to Mumbai, it's a structured
Correct.
event,
Correct.
because if you don't, the people, those who have achieved success in their life, they have a structure
Correct.
in their life. They have a morning routine, they have a time for self-care, they have a time for family. But the problem क्या है आज के दिन की कि लोग ज़्यादा टाइम enjoyment and entertainment पे वेस्ट करते हैं rather than
Introspection
personal
करते हैं.
development. Exactly.
No introspection.
Exactly. मेरा सीधा फॉर्मूला है which is LIME, LIME. You spend 30% learning, 30% implementing, 30% masterminding, and 10% enjoying.
Correct.
You see?
Correct.
If you have that structure and balance, you will reach somewhere in your life.
Nice.
But right now, you're 80% or 70% going into watching videos on TikTok
Yeah.
or YouTube
Yeah,
or
yeah,
somewhere
yeah,
else,
yeah. Giving your attention away to people
Exactly.
who are just doing business on your attention.
Absolutely
Right? People
right.
don't understand that. That's social media, right?
Yes.
I would love to give a hack here. Like मेरे को बड़ा प्यारा लगा जिस तरह से आपने इस चीज को समराइज किया ना. I would love to give a hack कि जैसे मैं आपके साथ बैठा हूँ, conversation कर रहा हूँ. I'm absolutely enjoying this.
Yes.
This is sort of my. I never thought कि podcast can be such a beautiful sync of my talent and
Yes.
what I love. मैं दिन भर podcast कर सकता हूँ या the way I speak, like now I'm a public speaker, right?
Yes.
Like now I'm a mentor. So it all involves speaking and simplifying stuff for other people.
Yes.
This and I can do this all day. So it for me that work that you're telling, मेरे लिए तो ये 100% enjoyment है.
Yes.
मेरा 100% work, 100% enjoyment है.
But that's what अभी कल परसों की बात है. I was talking to someone and we were discussing about public speaking.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, the biggest trait and biggest industry will be public speaking and communication.
It is.
Because people are isolating themselves.
Correct.
है ना?
Correct.
And in 5 years, you and me will sit here right where we are, and we will be in the biggest industry, which will be mental health in India.
Yeah, it is. It is. And people are starting to see that now.
Yes.
People are starting to see that now. So I want to summarize this. Step one is you seek some kind of clarity. And I would, to give like actionable takeaways, I think start asking yourself question.
Yes.
Sit with yourself for 10
Why?
minutes.
What is your why?
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
That's the first thing you need to understand.
Exactly.
Why you want to do something in your life. Why? What is the reason behind that?
True.
If you want to go out and make, if you want to go out and make $1 million, why you want to make $1 million?
True.
What will you do after $1 million?
True.
You
So-
will chase another million. You will chase another million.
And it's
but
meaningless.
that will not satisfy you.
Correct. And it's
है ना?
meaningless.
Exactly right.
Or else like, there are like I've like seen this key, even the richest people are unhappy, right?
No.
If the money was directly correlated to happiness, they would be the happiest people around, right?
Because beliefs can create, beliefs can destroy. Simple as that. You know, your belief about making that $1 million will create you as a person. Your belief making that $1 million will create you and broke you.
Correct.
you know. So you need to first work on yourself and ask yourself why.
So I heard like this beautiful line, and you also said it: before you earn, you learn, and then you return. So I
Yes.
tell this to people: you learn, you earn, and then you return.
Return, yeah.
Right? And then the cycle keeps on giving, keeps on giving, keeps on giving. So I want to go back to this, your journey. Like, 2015, you had this accident. Now you are in debt. You are trying to, you're starting to give yourself a little introspection. Ki, okay, Jay, what do you want? Is this the end of your life? Because I remember when I was carried, so I was not able to move. I could not take the weight of my head. My neck could not take the weight of my head. I had to wear a Philadelphia collar, which is like a physical collar, which was attached to me for 6 months. And 4 people were taking me on, like, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, सिर्फ राम राम सत्य बोलना बच गया था, to the MRI. And I, at that point of time, thought this कि यार सब कुछ कितना temporary है, right? I was going, अभी अचानक से हो गया. So assume God gives you another chance.
Yes.
Assume God gives you another chance. तो मैंने खुद से पूछा, नीरज कि यार तेरे को चाहिए क्या फिर? चल तू चल रहा है, physically fit हो गया, जो भी हो गया, अब क्या? Now I had a meaning behind it कि अब तो मेरे को why ढूंढना पड़ेगा. See, we both were forced to find our why, but you don't need to go through an accident to find your why.
No.
Right? So,
That's what I say. In every talk on the stage, I always say that you do not have to experience the death to start living your life.
Living. Correct.
But problem is that people want to experience those days.
Yeah.
People wants to experience the death before they start understanding the meaning, true meaning of life and true meaning of their being on this planet.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, let's summarize this one. So, we have cleared the step 1 of designing your life, and that is to start introspecting and start getting some clarity. And you don't need to pressurize yourself for clarity, because आज भी मैं, I have been into 1.5 year of living my job, and I went to depression, then to बहुत सारी चीजें हुई. It's been a crazy ride. I'm very happy that I took that decision. I knew when I tell this to people, you have to fall to fly.
Yes.
आप ऐसे रनवे से half-ass effort लेके नहीं जा सकते हो, right? You have to give your full throttle.
Yes.
But I tell this to people, you have to be very patient. Like, I think in terms of decades, like मुझे पता है 10 साल तक ये करना है, but I execute in terms of days.
Exactly.
कि अगर वो मेरा purpose है या वो मैं बनाना चाहता हूँ, I tell this to people, you can create your purpose. Why to find it?
No.
Choose what you want.
Yes.
Right? So I would tell, to end this segment, is be patient with yourself.
Yes.
Start introspecting yourself like you started doing it. I would want to ask you, when we move to intentional living now, you started intentionally taking this thing, your daughter came, you had this epiphany, and you were like, nahi jai. Ab to, like, you have been given the sign that you can do it through daughter, through the universe. How did the shift started happening? कि intentional living जैसे आपने apply करना start किया, like you started taking the small effort, I started taking the small effort. How did you do that?
Simple. Universe doesn't rewards thought. Universe rewards action. So I started taking action. There was one limiting belief exercise I did for 90 days.
Okay.
Constantly.
Okay.
Which I would like to share with everyone.
Please do.
So they can take the benefit out of it.
Yes.
I started writing down all my limiting beliefs, all the negative things on a piece of paper. I started countering it with a positive one, each of them.
Nice.
So the day one, I had almost 100 odd negative thoughts in my head which came onto the piece of paper. Now, where I had all those negative thoughts, I burned that piece of paper
Yeah.
and put it into the bin.
Yeah.
I did that for 90 days, every single day.
Consistently.
Doesn't matter you do it in the morning, afternoon, evening, but every person who needs to build a habit, at least they have to do it for 21 days.
Exactly.
Minimum.
Exactly.
To get that into the subconscious mind. And that's what I understood on the 91 day when I looked onto that piece of paper and I started writing the negative thought. There was none. There was none.
Exactly.
That's why मैंने क्या बोला? Repetition is the mother of mastery. The thing what you are doing
Correct.
today,
Correct.
the things what I am doing today, if we will keep doing that, in a decade, you and me and people like us will be on a different level. You know, they will be a different person.
Correct.
You know, Elon Musk is not Elon Musk because he had $180 million from the PayPal sale. But he had that intentional thinking that I want to go to moon. I want to create this SpaceX.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know?
People underestimate the power of thought.
Absolutely right.
Like I wouldn't be here if I had never a thought कि अच्छा मुझे ये चीज करनी है, मुझे लोगों की life impact करनी है. Like coming back to the why, right? I think the biggest why started for me at that point of time was initially मेरा goal ये था कि ठीक है, this is impossible for me to get like physically fit again. So let's challenge this notion itself. Like that is how it started beautifully, right? And then मैंने सोचा कि यार अगर मैं उससे broken neck से if I can, you know, I told my sister, I told my doctor, I became a case study for the doctor. In 9 months I'll get abs. COVID hit and a lot of things happened. I did it at home without a gym. Even people who are healthy can't do it in 9 months.
Yeah.
I came with a backlog of 100 kgs, losing all of my mass. Only thing I had was repetition, consistency, and constantly figuring it out.
Exactly.
You know, just like you started searching on stuff like, okay, how many people have broken necks?
Yes.
What have they done?
Yes.
How have they recovered?
Yes.
So I knew कि ठीक है ये recoverable चीज है, इससे तो मैं आने ही वाला हूँ बाहर. But the beauty, Jay, is if I can do this impossible right now, then how? ये सेम चीज तो मैं किसी भी जोन में अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ.
Exactly right.
किसी भी वॉक में अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ. Why limit it to physical ability?
Absolutely.
And funny enough, I realized this. I was not training my body. I was training my mind.
You are not training your mind. You are training the 86 billion neurons in your mind. You know, that's the power people need to understand.
So true.
This tiny thing in your head, which is like a brain, is so much powerful that you can shake the entire world. Everything what is built by humankind except the nature is so powerful, so great, whether it's Taj Mahal, Eiffel Tower, you know, the roads, the building.
We have reached Mars because of a thought कि we want to go to
Exactly
Mars.
right. So अगर हम इतनी अच्छी beautiful चीजें हमारे आसपास बना सकते हैं, so is it really difficult for people like us to build our own life? No, it's not.
आपने जो चीज बोली ना, ये पेपर पे लिखने वाली हैबिट, सी आई हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ जर्नलिंग जो मैंने कभी जिंदगी में नहीं की. ठीक है. एंड आई रिमेंबर दिस. मैंने अभी एक रील डाली थी कि मैंने टेड का भी लिखा था, मैंने जोश का भी लिखा था. आई हैव रिटन सो मेनी थिंग्स एंड आई हैव अचीव ऑलमोस्ट 80% ऑफ इट, व्हिच वर क्रेजी फॉर मी टू थिंक एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम.
Exactly right.
Dreams.
Exactly.
Now I feel it's a normal thing. I can do even more.
Yeah.
I can do even more. And I wrote, as soon as that letter got completed to me, I wrote a new letter. Okay, what can I ask more from this universe? But I have been so grateful and thankful to this universe, realizing this one thing.
Yes.
I am an instrument. लार्जर पर्पस उसका ये है कि आपके थ्रू किसी की सर्विस हो रही है.
Yes.
आपके थ्रू, और वो जब आपके अंदर रहता है ना, देन यू रियलाइज इट्स नॉट मी हु इज डूइंग थिंग्स. वो ईगो नहीं बढ़ता आपका.
Yes.
It's the universe that is making you an instrument and getting things done from you.
Exactly right. Because everything happens in your life is because of the things you are connected with. The birds do not fly, they ride the wind, and the fish do not swim, they are carried. Simple as that.
Nice.
Let me give you an example, okay? Plane में तो बैठा होगा,
हाँ हाँ
है ना?
हाँ हाँ.
You know headwind and tailwind?
Yes.
है? If you fly from Mumbai to Singapore, okay, against the headwind, it takes you 10 hours, for example, because you are flying opposite.
Against. Yeah.
ठीक है? But if you fly from Singapore to Mumbai and it's a tailwind, it takes you to Mumbai in 8 hours. Less fuel,
Yes.
less energy, and faster.
Correct.
Now, there is a saying in Christianity that if God is with you, who can be against you? Okay. Now, let me ask you a question, Neeraj. Do God have to come in alignment with you, or you need to come in alignment with God?
Obviously me.
Exactly right. Do plane have to come alignment with the tailwind, or the wind need to come in alignment with the plane?
Plain.
Exactly right. So, my friend, we need to come into the alignment with the energy.
Correct.
Okay. If you are not coming in the alignment with the energy, you are wasting your life on this planet Earth because you've been sent to do wonders.
I feel people underestimate the power of small actions so much, and they suffer so much. Like there is a quote, right? Ki we suffer so much in imagination than in reality. I did
Reality.
the exact same thing. Like I was quitting my job, and people still come to me. Like when I mentor, like I have this, I have that. Like everybody has this, that. कौन पैदा होता है without any responsibility? ऐसा कोई नहीं होता, right? And both of us had even minus में, I would say.
Yes.
है ना? तो I wrote this on piece of paper. Okay, what is the worst case scenario? Like, okay, I quit on my birthday. I get a job back on my birthday. In worst case scenario, I still get a job.
Exactly right.
So what is the worst case scenario? Nothing. Like, it's the people.
हाँ, absolutely. मैं जब थोड़ा I started getting into the alignment little bit.
Correct.
You know what was my first intention and what was my first dream or first goal was earning that 2,200 Australian dollars
Clearing
a
debt.
month. So I can ask my mom not to borrow any more money from anyone else. वो मेरा ड्रीम था. Now just imagine going from $2,200, paying off the $75,000 debt, making $1 million in business, and investing into the property portfolio now.
Correct.
You know?
All coming from a guy जिसको डॉक्टर ने बोला था you cannot
चल
walk
नहीं
again
पाएगा.
and you are in a death and same guy.
हाँ.
But different alignment.
See, again, don't take me wrong. I am not 100% fit. ठीक है? I am on medication. Okay? But the one thing I have understood, which we have just spoken about, action.
Exactly.
You know,
Exactly.
action is so important in your life because every action is putting you into a position where you can do wonders with your life.
You can.
You know,
You can.
अब क्या पता आज हम यहाँ बैठे हैं, we might collaborate on something which go to a national level and international level.
Yeah.
You know,
And I'm sure we'll do.
so that's what people need to understand. You know, मैं जब प्लान करता हूँ ना wherever I'm going, I always have 2 days ahead and 2 days after, so I can relax my body.
Correct.
You know, because when I take too much of stress, ठीक है, I have to relax for 5 days.
Correct.
So instead of doing that, I take it slow.
Correct.
But I don't stop myself.
Correct.
That's not my excuse कि मैं fit नहीं हूँ.
Correct.
ठीक है ना? Even though I'm on medication, my back is stiff, my legs are stiff, that's not stopping me. Because साला मुझे वो wheelchair पे नहीं जाना है वापस.
Correct. Wheelchair से dream chair.
हाँ. और मेरे पास अभी भी वो wheelchair है in my garage.
I still have my collar too.
See? And that's what I also ask people to do. Always keep a reminder from your failures, whether it's big or small. Because that will remind you how far you have come in your life.
To be very honest, Jay, matlab, when you're saying this line, I sometimes wonder, you know, when I go to this gym and I lift the heaviest of weight in that gym, right? I remember people laughing at me. I remember not being able to like dropping the weights, vomiting, doing a lot of things when I recovered, right? The only shift that happened, like I didn't care. Like what the world thinks, what people think, what I was just speaking to one voice inside of me.
Yes.
Neeraj cares. And for Neeraj, this is important.
Yes.
And trust me, I never ever in my mind would have imagined that I would become a power lifter in just 2 years from my accident, and then I will be lifting 5 times of my body weight. 3. I still lift that. You know why? It is a reminder to me how far a human potential can go. It's just this you need to set the clock into.
Exactly.
Right? And I'm so grateful. Like you know, sitting with you, being alive, that gratefulness comes from that journey.
Exactly right.
It is not the destination. I still feel that I am in a journey of evolving, learning. I barely scratch the surface. You know it, right?
What is destination? I think the destination is after the death. Until you are breathing, you are not on your destination.
Always a journey.
It's a constant.
Yeah.
है ना?
And why to
कहीं
limit?
रुकना है ही नहीं ना यार.
हाँ.
आज मैंने कहा ना, if you will earn million, you'll go to the another million. ठीक है ना? That's how the humans are. है ना?
Correct.
That's how they have been built.
Correct.
डेस्टिनेशन तो कभी आने ही नहीं वाला, वो तो
Correct.
मरने के बाद ही आने वाला है.
Correct.
But because you are worried about others and what others will think, you are not enjoying your journey. You are not focusing on what is really meant for you. And that's why I always ask people, let me ask you this question.
Correct.
Okay? If you're one of your friend
Uh-huh.
murders someone tomorrow,
Okay.
will you take a blame of him?
No.
No. So why you want to define the success
Based
on the
upon his
basis of other people?
Perspective.
I don't want to.
I think it's a cage people are not able to break until their last breath.
No, it's the stigma. It's a fucking stigma in Indian mentality that they are more worried about themselves than others. They seek validation, they seek approvals.
Yeah.
And that's what I hate, yaar. Literally.
Yeah, I do.
मैं किसी और की बात नहीं करता. I'll talk about my own family. ठीक है ना? They judge me. They still do.
Yeah.
But I am on a different level now. You see, I am less worried about what they think than worried about what I am doing with my life.
So true.
And believe me, the way I think now, the people in my house, the 3 beautiful women's, they all think like that.
Nice.
They all, because energy again.
Yeah. It takes one person to bring that shift in entire house. And when you talk about judgment, I think this is one thing that holds people back a lot.
Yes.
Right. I will give my example as well. Like, I quit at 29, right? Who does that?
No.
Like my family is expecting कि अच्छा लड़का शादी करेगा, लड़का ये करेगा, लड़का वो करेगा, लड़का financially. I was good. I was making good money and I was getting promotion. But I had this epiphany that I cannot stop that voice inside my head. If I did not give Neeraj a chance, what is the meaning of this life? अरे दुनिया की हर एक बंदी की सुन ली नीरज ने. नीरज को छोड़ के.
Exactly.
हद है यार ये तो. और जिंदगी नीरज की ही है. So isn't it stupid when and उनके लिए ये obvious नहीं है, but मेरे लिए कितना obvious है. You get it? It's so obvious. So obvious. And now imagine this, Jay, for a moment. If I did not give myself a chance, I would not be on TED Talk. I would not be on Josh. I would not have met so many people, impacted so many lives.
Exactly.
I had got messages, I was going to commit suicide. I did not because of your videos. I had no idea I could make such an impact.
Absolutely.
But I always knew I had this potential. When I see and go back to this job wala phase, in this job wala phase, I wanted to do MBA, but now I went as a guest lecturer for that MBA student.
Okay.
And they requested it. When I went to this college, I had my banners posted in over Kolhapur National Highway. Nothing would have happened if I did not give myself a chance. And I still feel I have barely scratched the surface. It's not about कि आपको क्या मिल रहा है.
नहीं.
It's about आप क्या दे पा रहे हो. And I tell this to people, आप जब देते हो ना नीचे वाले को, तो आपको ऊपर वाला और देता है.
Exactly right.
अगर आप सब कुछ अपने पास ऐसे रखोगे ना, and this is the Indian mentality I'm speaking about, सब savings करके, but आप ये भूल जाते हो savings के चक्कर में कितना ही बचा लोगे. अगर आपके पास में सपोज लेट्स टेक मटेरियलिस्टिक एग्जांपल 1 लाख है, 1 लाख में से कितना ही बचा लोगे. 1 लाख ही रहेगा वो जिंदगी भर बचा के भी. If you save 100% of it, nobody does that.
No.
But when you start sharing it, ऊपर वाला बोलता है इसको दो, इसमें कैपेबिलिटी है सामने देने की. If you shut off, why would God give you?
Yeah, because secret of living is giving.
Wow, I love this line.
Yes, it's simple as that, yaar.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना? The people, those who are achieving success, they are giving out and with full hands, because they understand the meaning of life. They understand that अगर हम देंगे तो हमें मिलेगा, होल्ड करके बैठेंगे तो हमें कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है.
Correct.
एंड वो ग्रो भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है ना? क्योंकि वो उस इंटेंशन से होल्ड किया गया है जो इंटेंशन करेक्ट नहीं है.
Correct.
है ना? क्योंकि आदमी होल्ड करता है तो वो उसी गलत इंटेंशन से ही होल्ड करता है कि मुझे किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करना है,
करेक्ट,
ठीक है, या मुझे किसी और का फायदा नहीं देखना
हाँ,
है ना. एंड व्हेन यू हैव दोस मेंटेलिटी देन इट्स नॉट गोना ग्रो.
इट विल नेवर ग्रो.
Anything in your life grows to the level of your personal development,
So true.
whether it's your college, your school, business, job, relationship, anything you pick, it will grow to the level of where you are growing personally.
Correct.
If you're not growing personally, that will be stagnant and there will be problems coming forward.
Got it.
है ना?
Got it. So if I have to summarize so far in the podcast, like we're designing our life. Step 1 was introspection, seeking the clarity. Step 2 is intentional living, right? I want to go back to, and now we have gone into not being judged,
Just, yeah.
right? So being yourself, I would say step
Yes,
3,
yes.
being yourself.
Be yourself,
Be
yes.
yourself. And if I have to go back to your story, 2015, how long did it took for you to have this death clear and you're like out of the hospital and just a little bit of neutral ground pe aana, I would say.
Of course. So I had that moment with daughter. Uske baad I started getting into this
Working on
zone,
yourself. Yeah.
working myself. 2019 February, I took my first step in this in front of the same doctor who told me that I have 5% chance. ठीक है. From there, I started looking for a job, literally which I can do from home.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Work from home क्योंकि उस time भी I was on crutches, ठीक है ना. And then few months I was on crutches, then on one crutch and then on frame, slowly and steadily I was walking around the house with the help of walls.
Yeah.
वहां से फिर I got independent, and when I got independent, I was sitting on my laptop and I was still looking for opportunities so I can do from home. I found this Facebook thing, okay? और वहां से I was like, Facebook, like, what
Groups,
is
Facebook
this?
groups?
No, not group, like Facebook as a platform.
Okay, platform.
I was not active on it.
Okay,
मेरे को
got
कुछ
it.
पता ही नहीं था उसके
हाँ,
बारे में.
समझ गया.
So मैं like, Facebook है, and then I started seeing this sponsored ads coming up, people making money on online, social media marketing,
Yeah.
affiliate marketing, attraction marketing. मैं like, ये सब क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ.
So I understanding that. Again, वही phase आ गया जो 2016 में start हुआ to work on myself. Now I was learning new skill.
Correct.
ठीक है ना. I attended all the free webinars. पैसे तो थे नहीं, तो I was looking for free webinars, free workshops online जो मैं attend कर सकूं. Started downloading lot of shit from online which I can learn from. And from there I started understanding the power of social media.
True.
And then I bought a ticket to an event of Tony Robbins.
Okay, like a mastermind.
No,
event.
it was an event.
Okay.
It was an online event
Okay.
of almost 35,000 people.
Okay.
Okay. And 2020 का बात है.
Yeah.
Okay. Broke into a breakout room जहाँ पर I was there and
correct.
few other people.
Correct.
Started talking. Few weeks later, I had an email.
Uh-huh.
Hey, we want to connect with you, and we saw your story you shared in a breakout room at a Tony Robbins event. And we would like to connect with you because we want to feature you on Forbes.
Wow.
I'm like, what? मैंने इग्नोर किया.
मस्ती
मेरे
कर
को
रहा
लगा
कोई.
स्कैम है ना.
मस्ती कर रहा कोई.
हाँ, बोले ईमेल आते रहते हैं. कौन साला हमें फॉर्ब्स पे डालेगा. हम फॉर्ब्स के लायक है, हमारा चेहरा तो देखो. तो आई टुक इट लाइटली.
Yeah.
फिर मुझे ना 2 हफ्ते बाद फिर से ईमेल आया, एंड इन दैट ईमेल आई सॉ अ कॉमन नेम.
तो ट्रस्ट बढ़ गया.
मैं एंड शी सेड दैट आई वोंट नेम द पर्सन, बट उसने बोला आई गॉट योर details from this person and she knows you, that's why I'm reaching out, so I'm still waiting for your response, are you interested? तो मैंने उस बंदी को कॉल किया सिडनी में. मतलब डिड यू शेयर माई डिटेल्स विद दिस पर्सन? बोले यस. तो बोले जैकी आई न्यू दैट यू विल नॉट डू इट, दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट गेव इट विदाउट आस्किंग यू बिकॉज यू आर नॉट ओपन टू इट. और उसने मुझे ना 2-3 बार बोला था कि जैकी सन यू शुड स्टार्ट शेयरिंग इट. ओके. और वो ही थी जो टोनी रॉबिन्स का इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही थी वर्चुअली. और शी बिकेम माई गुड फ्रेंड.
Okay.
तो मैं okay, fine. And I got onto that Zoom call with that person from US, an editor of a Forbes, who put me on the Forbes magazine from wheelchair to dream chair. And from there, everything started changing. जैसे आपने बोला ना, people started reaching out to you that I am having a suicidal thought,
yeah.
or I have changed my life because of
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
That's exactly what I had with me. After that first article, I had almost 270 people reached out to me on a Facebook and Instagram who has spoken to me on a Zoom call, literally. WhatsApp call, Zoom call, phone call,
Correct.
Messenger call,
Correct.
Instagram call. And they started asking, yaar, tune kaise kiya? How you did it,
Yeah.
It was really amazing to read your story. And from there, I was like, now it's time to monetize. Now it's time to make money. And wahan se journey start hua. I made around like $900. Then kuch $2,300, $5,000, and then it started. And then I started getting confidence. I was like, yes, there are people, those who want to listen to you. There are people, those who are getting benefit out of your story and out of your learnings and out of your sharings.
Yeah, your journey basically.
हाँ.
Your journey, yeah.
And वहाँ से वो monetization शुरू हुआ and journey शुरू हुआ coaching का, and then it led to another, TV interviews. फिर the same lady I'm so grateful of,
Yeah.
who has put me on a same page with Elon Musk,
Wow.
on the Forbes magazine. And then from there, it was another magazine who put me in front of Jim Carrey, Jordan Belfort, Neil Patel,
Wow.
So it started falling
Into
into
place.
the places, and I was
Yeah.
feeling so grateful. I was like, I was meant to sit on that wheelchair to find these days.
Yeah.
I was always been born for.
This is the purpose behind your pain.
Yes. So वो transformation और वो skill set जो मैंने सीखा, after understanding the power of social media, and see from 2019 to now where we are with social media.
So
you
true.
know.
So true.
No, it's a part of our life now.
All it started with somebody's action, but when you have that intent of sharing कि ठीक है, मेरा दर्द है, right? But once you accept that pain and you sort of let it go, like,
Yes.
you let it go.
Yes.
That is when it starts providing that magic, like a
Absolutely.
seed. So step 4 is ask for help. I would say, don't keep it caged inside your heart.
No.
आपने पेपर पे तो लिखा ही है, बट बी वोकल अबाउट इट. मेरे लिए सोशल मीडिया था जहां से मेरी जो आई वुड से आई वाज लिटरली एट द वर्ज ऑफ डिप्रेशन जो क्योर हुई है. मैं क्यों बना रहा था वीडियो? नीरज तो नीरज से बात कर रहा था. पीपल हु वर इन द सेम पेन रेजोनेटेड, एंड व्हाई नॉट शेयर इट? So I would love your perspective on this. Like, how did that shift help you?
I think the biggest understanding I had when that moment happened in my life, Forbes wala, या फिर TV interviews and all, that I have somehow connected myself with my core. ठीक है ना? Because it's very important for us to understand कि आपने क्या बोलते हैं, क्लैरिटी ला दिया,
कौन हो आप?
इंटेंशनल ला दिया, थिंकिंग, ठीक है, यू हैव अंडरस्टूड योर सेल्फ, ठीक है. नाउ द थिंग इज दैट आर यू कनेक्टिंग टू दैट वाइब्रेशन?
करेक्ट
है ना? क्योंकि ऐसा भी होता है बहुत लोगों के साथ कि कोई अच्छे इंटेंशन से आता है बट दे पुश दैट पर्सन फॉर लाइक फार अवे, है ना? मैं आपके पास इंटेंशन से आ रहा हूं कि आई वांट टू पुट यू ऑन अ फोर्ब्स, बट यू आर पुशिंग मी अवे बिकॉज यू हैव दैट, you are not aligned with your thinking right now, है ना?
शेल ब्रेक नहीं किया आपने.
Exactly right. तो वो भी अंडरस्टैंड करना है. That's what I understood कि यार उस लड़की ने मुझे 3-4 बार बोला कि जैकी तू शेयर कर, ठीक है. मैंने नहीं किया, उसने आगे शेयर किया to push me more so I can do it because she believed in me.
Yeah.
है ना?
Okay.
And when the other person believes in you, then you get more power within you.
Correct.
है ना?
Correct. Correct.
जैसे आपने अभी क्या बोला कि शेयरिंग, ठीक है ना? अगर मैं हमारे पास रखूंगा, if the God is giving you the willpower to defy all the odds in your life, why you do not want to share that willpower
With others.
with others?
Correct.
Because that's what people needs,
Correct.
है ना?
Correct.
तो वो जो चीज था ना, और जैसे हमने शुरू में बोला, इट विल कम विद द प्रोसेस.
Yes. Yes.
ठीक है?
Absolutely.
जब वो चीजें अभी रिसेंटली, you won't believe, one of my mentor, one of my friend, my coach, you know, he has put me on a mind valley.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
I was gonna ask it, but
हाँ,
yeah, luckily
see?
you brought it up.
है ना? I was surprised. I was surprised
I saw
that
that post.
he has spoken about me, my journey on that platform, and that platform has taken that video of him
And they posted
and
it on their
mine
page.
and put it on their
Yeah, I saw it.
Facebook.
Yeah, I saw it.
है $100 million का कंपनी है माइंड वैली. इफ आई गेट अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ दोज पीपल लुकिंग एट मी एंड गेट इंस्पायर्ड, व्हाट एल्स आई वांट?
Correct. Correct.
That's the testament that I am walking on the right direction with right intention, clarity and mindfulness.
I think मैं इसको summarize करना चाहूँगा, like beautifully you have done this. Firstly, I would like to thanks Purva. Purva knows Purva Shrivastava. She is founder of iLearning. The same lady, like कितनी प्यारी सी बात है ना. There was a lady who pivotal change.
Yes.
Lady for me, like, and she was just an acquaintance. We had she was a podcast guest.
Okay.
And she told me that why not you go and, you know, I'll recommend you to, you know, Josh Talks, and why don't you? And I was like, is it worth it? I'm not a $1 million guy or something like that. But you, what have you done? You realize it?
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, if you think so. She recommended me, and then, you know, it happened. But she saw that spark first. I think
Exactly.
a lot of people don't realize it, and I have been told this to me as well many times. You know, Neeraj, you got that knack. Something is there that, you know, when we talk to you, it gets हमको clarity मिल जाती है, या, you know, you push us with that energy.
Yes.
I never saw that in myself in the start. It's the people that become your reflection. So
Absolutely.
accept the feedback that you are
Yes.
getting. It will be right. It will be honest. Correct yourself and be thankful to it.
हम लोग कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होने वाला कि हम लोग हर एक जगह सही होने वाले हैं,
नहीं होंगे.
है ना?
It's okay.
तो कोई ना कोई तो लाइफ में आने वाला है जो आपको सही राह दिखाएगा.
हाँ.
ठीक है ना? लेकिन उसके लिए आपको चलते रहना है,
Correct. Correct.
क्योंकि वहां तक तो आपको पहुंचना है ना जहां पर वो बंदा खड़ा है जो आपको आगे की राह दिखाएगा.
हाँ.
है ना? नहीं तो वो तो वेट ही करता रह जाएगा.
और ये सेम चीज आपको दूसरों के लिए भी करनी है.
हाँ,
अगर आप लेवल ए से लेवल बी पे जा रहे हो और फिर आपने रियलाइज कर लिया कि हाँ ए से बी कैसे जाते हैं,
Exactly.
और फिर आपको कोई डी पे भी मिलेगा
हाँ.
जो आपको ऊपर और खींचेगा,
हाँ,
राइट. बट अगर आपको भी दिख रहा है हाँ लेवल ए पे ये लड़का खड़ा है, ये लड़की खड़ी है, तो उसको भी खींचो ऊपर.
हाँ.
दैट इज हाउ द वॉक ऑफ लाइफ इज.
एग्जैक्टली. मैं अभी आई वॉज इन मेलबर्न, ठीक है. 2 days बिफोर द इवेंट मेरे को कॉल आया दैट वी वॉन्ट यू टू कम.
ओके.
मैला ओके फाइन. एंड मैला व्हाट इज दिस ऑल अबाउट? बोले देयर इज जेसन मैकलेंडन इज कमिंग, ओके, हु इज partner with Tony Robbins
Okay.
in his events, ठीक है. और there are few other JT Fox and few other speakers are coming and we want to. And when I went there were 3,000 people. और मुझे खाली 25 minutes मिले बोलने के लिए. I was grateful.
ऑब्वियसली.
मैं like, who gives you an opportunity to speak in front of 25,000 people?
करेक्ट.
You know,
The
or
amount of impact you can
3,000
make.
people or 5,000 people.
नाइस.
लोग
अंडर एस्टिमेट कर देते हैं.
अंडर एस्टिमेट भी कर जाते हैं. उनकी जिंदगी निकल जाती है इतने लोगों के सामने बोलने में,
ट्रू.
है ना?
ट्रू.
और आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है तो यू नीड टू बी ग्रेटफुल ऑफ. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई लव अबाउट माई लाइफ नाउ, कि आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू कनेक्ट.
करेक्ट. आई थिंक मैंने लोगों को ये बोला है, लाइक, यू नो, द बिगेस्ट सुपर पावर इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड इज काइंडनेस, बिकॉज पीपल डोंट एक्सपेक्ट इट.
Kindness is like a boomerang. The more you give, the more it comes back.
But people don't expect it, you know. मेरे को आज भी याद है when I like मुंबई में मेट्रो जब स्टार्ट हुई थी ना, so there is a metro station near
अच्छा.
me and इतना तब क्राउड होता नहीं था.
हाँ.
And it's like काफी टाइम हो चुका है इसको, very new. And
अच्छा.
I did my engineering from Pune, so I came here.
Okay.
And मेरी जब पहली बार मैं गया स्टेशन पे टिकट लेने, and I like saw the badge, और मेरी आदत है, I always take people's name.
Name.
So I saw that thing. एंड मैंने टिकट तो ले ली. मैंने बोला भैया फिर मिलेंगे, हैव अ नाइस डे. ऐसे मतलब प्यारी कोई एक लाइन बोल दी. आज तक उसको याद है वो. यू नो ही स्टिल देयर, ही इज एज्ड. या ही स्टिल देयर. ही मेट मी एट अ डिफरेंट मेट्रो स्टेशन दो.
Okay.
बट ही स्टिल रिमेंबर्स दैट. यू नो व्हाई?
See?
बिकॉज़ नोबडी डज दैट.
No.
एंड इट्स सच अ सिंपल थिंग टू डू.
Exactly.
मैं जब जोश टॉक्स में भी गया या कहीं पे भी गया, यू नो देयर वाज अ गाय हु केम एंड गिव मी द वाटर. मैंने टॉक होने के बाद भी मेरे को उसका नाम याद था. मैंने बोला थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लाइक यू नो टेकिंग एंड बिकॉज यू मेड मी सो रिलैक्स्ड. आपने
Yes.
पानी लाया, कॉफी लाया, जो भी चीज लाई.
Yes.
एंड you know लोग ऐसे करते हैं. I feel very bad when you think that you're superior to someone.
No.
Nobody
You
is superior or inferior.
Nobody.
Nobody. Unless you think that you are a god, that's a different ball game. वो आप अपने अलग लेवल पे खेल रहे हो.
मैं ही भगवान हूँ.
हाँ, मैं ही भगवान हूँ. तो वो अलग चीज है. But I think and that's why I told कि जितना हो सके ना खींचो लोगों को.
हाँ.
खींचो. So
And see, that's what people will learn when they will walk onto that path. है ना, जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं.
correct.
फ्रॉम क्लैरिटी टू इंटेंशनल. इफ यू विल वॉक ऑन टू दैट पाथ, आपको समझ में आएगा कि जो हम चीज आज बोल रहे हैं ना, वो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है टू हैव अ बेटर स्लीप एट नाइट.
Correct.
है ना, कि जो चीज आपने बोली.
सुकून.
हाँ, सुकून. एग्जैक्टली वही. मेरा जो स्टॉक दिल्ली में हुआ.
Yeah, I saw your joke.
ठीक है. मैं आया इंडिया. मैंने लास्ट ईयर जिन लोगों से कनेक्शन बनाया था ना इंडिया में, मैंने सबको मैसेज किया. इवन वो बंदे को भी जिसने मेरा जो स्टॉक शूट किया था. तो एक मैसेज करना, ठीक है, विल नॉट गोना हार्म यू.
Correct.
ठीक है. बट सामने वाले के मन में या दिमाग में उसके क्या इम्पैक्ट लाता है, वो एक मैसेज आपका.
Treat people as humans. They are
Exactly.
humans.
Exactly.
मतलब I still remember मेरा अभी जब टेड हुआ तो मेरा जो क्यूरेटर था, आपको पता होगा जोश में से क्यूरेटर्स होते हैं.
हाँ.
तो क्यूरेटर जो थी मेरी उसमें, तो मैं I messaged her and I said, you know, I see your blessings led me to this
Yeah.
another milestone in my life, and she was so happy. And she said, आप दिल्ली आओगे ना तो मिल के जाना.
हाँ.
See how good it is. Just one, I just sent her one photo after the event. Like, see, Soumya, I told you this will also happen, and because you know people remember how you make them feel.
Exactly.
People remember that.
Absolutely. And that's what you need to do.
That's what you need to do. And the next point I want to come on is surrender. This is like the 5th step we are at, designing in our life.
Yes.
तो अब मेरे को ऐसा जाके लगता है जय is you cannot force things in your life.
No.
और सरेंडर बोलने में बड़ा आसान है, बट यू नो व्हेन वी बोथ वर इन अ फिजिकल स्टेट जहाँ पे हम ऐसे चुटकी बदल के नहीं बदल सकते थे. द ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट अबाउट योर जर्नी ऑल्सो, लाइक 4 साल. I think I remember you said 2020 में you get this opportunity with the Forbes.
Yeah.
You start making some money
Yes.
through online coaching, mentorship, any reason.
Yes.
But imagine the patience you have endured in that 4 years. That
Yes.
comes from surrender.
Yes.
So I want you to highlight the importance of surrender first. And second, I want you to tell me the first way you earned money,
Yes.
which made you feel like, acha, this is also possible in this life.
Absolutely. And see, when you talk about surrender, na, there is a great example of Mahatma Gandhi. है ना? He surrendered himself to one aim and one, I will say, action that he wants to see India free. Correct? And when he surrendered, what happened? The Britishers walked out of India.
Correct.
You know, people started connecting with him. And that's exactly what we need to understand. That surrender doesn't mean that you stop taking action. Surrender means that you are slowly and steadily moving into the right direction without an expectation. You are appreciating that my mom borrowed 45 lakhs from other people to pay for my mortgage in Australia. Appreciating that my wife was cleaning me, bathing me, changing my clothes when I was sitting on the wheelchair, and also taking care of my daughter.
Yeah, raising a child.
है ना?
along with it. Amazing.
appreciating that my sister was a strong pillar, always letting me be strong in whatever I do in my life.
Correct.
That's what surrender is. People often make mistake that surrender means छोड़ दो सब कुछ है ना, अपने आप होगा. अपने आप तो भगवान भी नहीं देता.
हाँ, लोग तो सरेंडर कैसे करते हैं, रात को दारू पी लेते हैं फिर बोलते सरेंडर कर दिया हमने. That is the typical way of surrendering.
Exactly right.
Right? But I feel the notion is very wrong. So I'll give up my takeaway यहाँ पे,
of
जो
course.
मुझे लगता है. It's called, I've heard this and जितना मैंने फील भी किया, it's called law of resonance.
Yes.
राइट. तो सरेंडर का मतलब ये होता है मेरे लिए बेसिक सिंपल टर्म्स में, दैट आई डू थिंग्स कंसिडरिंग कि ये होना ही है.
हाँ.
राइट. बट व्हाट कैन आई एक्ट टू एक्सेलरेट.
Exactly right.
मतलब अगर मेरे दिमाग में ये ऑलरेडी क्लियर था कि हाँ ठीक है, आई विल गो एंड स्पीक ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म, आई स्टिल नो आई विल गो एंड स्पीक ऑन मेनी प्लेटफॉर्म्स, आई विल इम्पैक्ट मेनी लाइफ. तो ये तो मैं मान के ही चल रहा हूँ.
Exactly right.
ये मैं मान के चल रहा हूँ. और मेरा सरेंडर ये है महादेव के साथ में कि यार इसकी टेक केयर आपको करनी है.
हाँ.
जिंदा आपने रखा है ना, मेरे को वहां से बचाए, यहाँ तक लाए. अब जो सपना दिखा रहे हो वो भी आप ही दिखा रहे हो. तो मेरा सरेंडर तो आपसे, भोले बाबा विल टेक केयर.
Exactly.
मेरा काम क्या है? टू हेल्प हिम मेक इट फास्टर.
Faster.
दैट इज, मेरे दिमाग में क्वेश्चन है ही नहीं कि ये होगा या नहीं होगा. मेरे दिमाग में है व्हेन इट हैपेंस,
कब होगा.
तब होगा. और जब ये होना है उसके लिए मुझे कौन सा स्मॉलेस्ट एक्शन है जो मैं आज ले सकता हूँ. लाइक इफ यू वांट टू क्विट योर जॉब, इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ बिजनेस, इफ यू वांट टू डू एनीथिंग,
Absolutely.
व्हाट इज द स्मॉल एक्शन दैट यू कैन टेक राइट नाउ,
Absolutely.
कंसिडरिंग कि ये तो होना ही है.
हाँ.
Like,
आउटकम ना आपके हाथ में है, ना मेरे हाथ में. व्हील चेयर में बैठना मेरे हाथ में नहीं था. था. नेक टूटना आपके हाथ में नहीं था.
करेक्ट
है ना. तो वो तो किसी के हाथ में नहीं है. यू नो, वी आर टॉकिंग टुडे, आई माइट बी नॉट हियर टुमारो. है ना. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है ना कि मैं एक्शन और मेरा काम जो है, जो मुझे करना है, वो बंद कर दूं करना.
करेक्ट.
बट द प्रॉब्लम इज क्या है, लोग इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग दोज actions and steps, they are focused more on the outcome,
या
the result.
I am so in love with this process of like, you know, talking to you, learning, impacting things. Yes, हम वाई की बात कर रहे थे कि मेरी जिंदगी का वाई क्या है. मेरी जिंदगी का वाई सिंपल लाइन है, I want to be someone who shows people there is a bright future for yourself, that you can do it. That's a simple one line that defines my. And people ask me what is the next 10 20. मैंने बोला मेरी आखिरी सांस तक मेरा यही प्रोजेक्ट है. One big simple project.
Nice.
To do this. Right. अब इसके लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़े इससे मैटर नहीं करता. How is always simple to figure out when you have a why. People don't have why. People. नीरज को पता है नीरज कौन है. Right. I am rediscovering yourself. लोग बोलते हैं ना कि मैं एक जन्म होता है, मैं बोलता हूँ आप हर 3 साल में जिंदा होते हो, मरते हो, जिंदा होते हो, मरते हो. You keep on rediscovering yourself.
Exactly.
I'm not the नीरज 6 months ago. I'm not the नीरज 1 year ago. और मैं आज जो नीरज हूँ वो 1 साल बाद नहीं रहूंगा. So isn't it like a birth and rebirth cycle in this lifetime itself?
आई थिंक आपने 3 महीने बोला, मैं तो रोज बोलता हूँ. यू आर टेकिंग अ बर्थ एंड यू आर रीलिविंग द लाइफ एवरी सिंगल डे द टाइम यू वेक अप. कितने सारे लोग हैं जो उठते ही नहीं है.
Permanent sleep.
Exactly right. You are lucky enough that you are able to breathe another day. If you can, make it worth.
If you can make it worth it. I tell this to people कि आप हर चीज के साथ रह लो, रिग्रेट के साथ मत रहो.
नहीं.
सक्सेस भी झेल सकते हो, फेलियर भी झेल सकते हो. राइट. रिग्रेट नहीं झेल पाओगे.
And see, the problem is, problem क्या है? When you start clinging the past, you know, you go to the past.
Yeah.
But when you start appreciating the past, you are moving forward
Yeah.
smoothly.
Yeah.
पर लोगों का प्रॉब्लम क्या है, दे स्टार्ट गेटिंग इनटू सो मच इनटू दैट डर्ट कि भाई मेरे साथ ये हुआ, मेरे साथ ये हो गया, मेरे साथ इसने ये कर दिया. ठीक है ना. अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ होता तो ऐसा हुआ होता. अरे भाई ऐसा ही होना था तेरे साथ. और तेरी जिंदगी में और तेरी लाइफ में यही लिखा था. क्यों? क्योंकि तूने ऐसे चॉइसेस अपनी लाइफ में लिए which led you to that position or the day you were in.
पता है, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है जय कि लोग सरेंडर क्यों नहीं कर पाते, बिकॉज सरेंडर करने के लिए ना आपको वल्नरेबल होना पड़ता है.
Exactly.
यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट योर
And
डीमन.
people don't want to be
People
that.
don't want to do that. Like आप मेरे को बताओ, it looks easy, but for you and me to tell our stories or to share our demons is not that easy. is not that easy.
It was not.
It is not.
The day when we started doing it, you and me know how much effort we have to put in
Yeah.
just to start sharing with a person we don't know, the strangers around the world.
Exactly. And people have this notion that Neeraj is very comfortable in front of like being extrovert. I feel I'm still an introvert, but I'm extrovert because I am selectively choosing कि मेरा ये cause है. ये मेरा cause है, ये मेरा why है. If I don't do this, what else I do?
Because you have seen the other phase of it. You have seen the people, those who have improved by your sharing.
Exactly.
You have seen the people evolving, transforming by your sharing. And when you can see that you are impacting the people around you, nobody can stop you from sharing whatever you are going through in your life.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, you will share with open heart.
Yeah.
And people will make joke of it. People will make fun of it. But
Yeah.
that will not bother you.
It doesn't.
It
doesn't
will not.
anymore.
It will
doesn't.
not.
It doesn't anymore. And you have to be patient enough to reach that stage.
Exactly right.
आप मेरे को बताओ, मैं जब क्विट कर रहा हूँ, my parents, nobody, they still are processing it, to be very
I know,
honest. Nobody understands.
I know.
And it's okay if nobody understands it. Why would they understand?
No.
Because see, अगर आप बीज हो जिसमें potential है to become the greatest tree in that forest, only you can reach that height.
Exactly right.
उनके पास तो वो विजन ही नहीं है.
नहीं है.
वो विजन ही नहीं है.
नहीं
So until you reach some height, then मतलब उनको वो थोड़ा सा रिजल्ट आने के बाद, for you it doesn't, you don't care about the result anymore, because
No.
for आपके लिए वो एक grand scheme of process है.
हाँ.
But for them, they are still living in the reality they want you to live in.
Yes.
तो उनके लिए तो आपको थोड़ा सा पेशेंट होना पड़ेगा कि ठीक है आज, you know, when my mom saw कि ठीक है मेरे लड़के के कुछ तो ढंग का ही कर रहा होगा,
हाँ, exactly.
कुछ तो
हाँ.
she still ask me,
हाँ.
okay, you know, you're doing this, पैसा कितना मिल रहा है? She doesn't care.
Always come down to that.
Yeah, it all will come down to that. Like, she doesn't care कि how many lives have impacted, like touched 20 million lives in this 1 year. But I am so grateful for it. And I know my mom can't see it yet, but 5 years from now, she'll be like so happy, she'll be so proud. But for that day to come, I have to trust myself.
Absolutely.
और मैं surrender की भी अगर आपसे बात करूँ, you know, a lot of people still say this thing, अरे यार छोड़ना है यार, लेकिन छूटता नहीं है.
हाँ.
जॉब, दारू, कुछ भी छूटता नहीं है.
छूटता.
क्यों? क्योंकि वो जो सरेंडर हम बोलते हैं ना, इनसिक्योरिटीज की, अगर मैं छोड़ दिया तो यार इट्स अ हार्ड वर्क टू रीबिल्ड योर सेल्फ. वो हार्ड वर्क आपको करना नहीं है, बट आपको एक्सक्यूज देना है कि यार इम्पॉसिबल है, क्योंकि यार ऐसा तो होता ही नहीं है, वरना ऐसा होता तो 99% लोग छोड़ देते और कुछ कर रहे होते. बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट गोइंग इनटू दैट जर्नी, जय, आई एम श्योर यू हैव रियलाइज्ड दिस, यू हैव मेट सो मेनी पीपल हु आर डूइंग इवन क्रेजियर स्टफ देन यू. यू लाइक, माय गॉड, ये मैं कर रहा हूँ, ये डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है तुझे?
डेफिनेटली.
अरे ये कुछ नहीं है. ये कुछ नहीं है. एंड it feels very, very funny when these people ask me this thing. What you lack is just commitment. बाकी सारी चीजें फिगर आउट हो जाएंगी. आपको यहाँ से पुणे जाना है, अहमदाबाद जाना है, आपको एक साथ थोड़ी ना पूरा गूगल मैप देखते हो, लेफ्ट या राइट ही देखते हो ना. तो एक तो डिसीजन लो. मेरे को पता नहीं था मैं आज आपके साथ बैठा रहूंगा, ये सारी चीजें हो रही होंगी, बट मैंने एक डिसीजन लिया, उसके बाद तो मैंने लेफ्ट राइट ही लिया है. हाँ,
बिकॉज ये जो लोग हैं ना, दे आर ड्राइविंग द कार विदाउट द नेविगेशन, एंड व्हेन यू डू दैट देयर इज नो डेस्टिनेशन.
कम्स डाउन टू इंटेंशनल लिविंग,
है ना. और दूसरी बात जो आपने बोली ना, पेरेंट्स की, ठीक है, और ये मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, डू what your parents have never done. Because when you start doing that, you are breaking the barriers, not within yourself, but within the society.
Exactly, generational barriers.
Exactly right. क्योंकि हमारे जो पेरेंट्स है ना, दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट जनरेशन. तो उनका जो माइंडसेट है ना, वो कंडीशनड है.
करेक्ट.
और उसको तुम रीवायर करने की कोशिश भी करोगे ना, नहीं कर पाओगे. So it's better you build yourself, okay, and let them follow through.
I'll tell you this, because I see this as very humble thing. I had a very difficult childhood, to be very honest. Whether it was finance, whether it was my health, whether it was a lot of things, I had to be isolated.
Okay.
I did my engineering on myself, paid the education loan. I used to go from my college to the different side of Pune to do a job in a call center. From there, come back to the home where I used to survive on a vada pav or something. I was malnourished at that point of time. I'm doing engineering, and even being malnourished, I topped in my class in the entire college.
Nice.
Right? And confidence मेरा build होते गया, because I feel like I've been built brick by brick. What can you take away from me?
No,
Nothing. nothing. And the point is, even if you do, I know how to build it again.
Yes.
So I don't have the insecurity of losing. आधे लोग इस गम में दुखी रहते हैं कि मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता, आधे लोग इस गम में दुखी रहते हैं कि मैंने कर लिया, अब इसको खोना दूं.
खोना.
Right? Isn't it funny?
Exactly, because see, that's what people don't understand ना, कि भाई तेरा कुछ भी नहीं है और ना तेरा होने वाला है.
It is
है ना?
temporary.
और हमारे तो what did Krishna told Arjun in Mahabharata? The human life is to find the highest potential. If you cannot find it, you are not worth to live on in this life. And that's what Krishna Bhagwan was trying to understand Arjun, कि भाई तेरा कर्तव्य क्या है, तेरा कर्तव्य और तेरा धर्म ये है. And when you understand your dharma, ठीक है, when you understand your karma, you will not be worried about कि मैं क्या खो दूंगा और मैं क्या नहीं कर सकता.
हाँ.
है ना, क्योंकि अर्जुन के पास खोने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ था.
Correct.
And that's why he was worried.
Correct.
कि यार मैं अपने लोगों को ही क्यों मारूं. है ना. But that's what Krishna Bhagwan was making him understand, कि वो उनका कर्म है. तेरा कर्म ये है कि तू इस रथ पे बैठ के उनके साथ लड़, क्योंकि तुझे इसीलिए जन्म दिया गया है. तो हमारा जन्म इस लाइफ में जहां पर हम जी रहे हैं, आर वी अ पैसेंजर और आर वी अ क्रिएटर? आई बिलीव दैट वी आर अ क्रिएटर.
बड़ी प्यारी बात बोली आपने, बिकॉज मैं लोगों को बोलता हूँ ये कि बहुत बार हम ये अपनी जिंदगी में भूल जाते हैं कि भगवान तो क्रिएटर है ही है, बट उसके साथ साथ हम भी को क्रिएटर है अपने लाइफ.
एग्जैक्टली राइट.
लाइक मैंने लोगों को देखा है, स्पेशली इन अ लॉट ऑफ जनरेशंस, लाइक वो बोलता है ठीक है ऊपर वाले की इच्छा होगी और खुद पे गिव अप कर देते हैं. मतलब वो ब्लेम भी ऊपर वाले पे.
वही तो,
खुद आलसी हो
हाँ,
और उसमें भगवान का नाम ले रहे हो कि यार ये तो भगवान की इच्छा होती है, उनके से तिनका भी नहीं हिलता. अरे तो तुम इनके को हिलाओ तो सही, तभी तो भगवान कुछ करेगा. मतलब आप समझ रहे हो हाउ लेजी पीपल स्मार्टली,
भाई खाना खाने के लिए भी हाथ उठाना पड़ता है.
हाउ लेजी पीपल स्मार्टली गिव अप एंड दे टेल इट्स गॉड चॉइस.
एक्सक्यूज मी,
किसने बताया? कौन भगवान नीचे आके बोल के गया तुमको कि यार मेरी इच्छा नहीं है, मत करिए? बट ये मजेदार बात है. लोगों को ऐसा लगता होगा कि यू नो व्हेन यू क्विट और यू ट्राई टू बिल्ड समथिंग, अनसर्टेनिटी में आप जब जीते हो आपको फ्रीडम तो मिलता है उतना ज्यादा, बट वो दोनों साथ हैंड इन हैंड जाता है. लोग है ना ग्रे एरिया में जीते हैं, यहाँ पे बीच में, जहाँ पे थोड़ी सी सर्टेनिटी है, थोड़ा सा फ्रीडम है, विच इज द सेफ प्लेस. बट जब जैसे हम अपनी बात करें, हमें नहीं पता कल क्या होगा या परसों क्या होगा, एंड वी डोंट केयर. बट हाँ, अगर हमें इतना फ्रीडम मिल रहा है तो हमें उतनी अनसर्टेनिटी में भी हम जी रहे हैं कि हाँ ठीक है ये चीज होगी नहीं होगी, बट वी आर लाइक ओके ऊपर वाला देखेगा. वी हैव टू कीप doing the act that we are supposed to do.
Exactly.
Right? I want to go back to this one moment in your journey. Now you started earning after you come into this Forbes, because I want to talk about money a little here.
Yeah,
and
sure.
because this is the biggest limiter and enabler for people.
Yes.
At the same time.
Yes.
So I want you to go back to that Jai Kishan ki जिसने पहली बार एक अपना online coaching किया. What was it about? And you earned any amount of dollar. It doesn't matter. You start doing it. It was the biggest confidence boost for you.
Yes, of course.
So I want you to go to that stage and tell me from there to now being $1 million business, how was the journey, and like how would you define it? Like what have you learned? How did Jai Kishan changed?
I have become better in communication. Okay, जो मैंने social media से सीखा, by making, I think I have believed I have made more than 200,000 videos so far in last 7 years, 6 years. I have just like you, I have touched millions of people, you know, through public speaking, through videos, social media, personal coaching, one-on-one, group coaching. But जो मेरा journey था ना, वो start हुआ था from doing free coaching, you know, just like testing the water.
Correct.
Whatever I am sharing
yourself
with people, is it worthwhile for them?
Correct.
Okay, will it work or not?
Correct.
So मैंने जो आपको बताया ना 270 messages I had, you know, I have the list of those names in my journal from that time. Okay, और उन लोगों को मैंने free coaching किया.
अच्छा.
Somewhere asking for a help that they were going through self-sabotaging behavior, how they can overcome that. Some people were like, I am overthinking a lot. You know, what should I do about it? Some people were that I am physically disabled. Okay, I am like I feel lazy all the time. I do not want to do something in my life. I do
Correct,
not like.
correct.
I'm not focused, or anything. Whenever I start, I just stop after 2-3 days.
Got
you
it,
know,
got
so those free coaching of 270 people, somewhere like 2-3 days of talk, somewhere for like 3 months, 5 months of talk with them, that has shaped me a lot and helped me to design my coaching program accordingly that it impacts
Yeah.
all the topics which I was sharing with them.
Yeah.
और फिर वहां से आई स्टार्टेड मोनेटाइजिंग आफ्टर दैट. पहला कोर्स सेल किया, दूसरा किया, started doing one-on-one group coaching.
Correct.
And from there, when I started getting attraction on social media, people automatically started coming. And see, what I believe is that market publicly, sell privately. This is what I believe in. Because अगर आप सोशल मीडिया पे जाओगे, every second post is a sponsored post.
Yeah, it's filled
Correct?
with ads. Yeah.
And when you are doing that, you are pushing people away.
Away. Yeah, absolutely.
है ना? That's why I will always say that market publicly, but sell privately.
Yeah,
You
true.
know? And that's exactly what I started doing. I started marketing. I started putting myself out there. I started sharing stuff, without any expectations. And then I was bombarded with DMs. I was bombarded with leads, with discovery calls, strategic calls, जहाँ पर मैं अपने sales खुद close कर रहा था starting में, and from there it started evolving, and it went from mindset coaching to coaching businesses.
Wow.
In 2022. ठीक है? 22 I started coaching businesses. Small, medium enterprises, entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, those who are running business from home, those who are real estate agencies in America, in Canada, in Australia, bakers, I started coaching them. I started helping them. And this is what, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा ना, कि your business can only grow to the level of your personal development.
Absolutely.
ठीक है ना? Because business is 80% psychology and 20% mechanics.
Interesting.
You see?
Interesting.
So when you are running any business, you need to run on the basis of your client's emotion, not on your emotions.
Got it.
People often run the business on their own emotions. मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे इतना पैसा चाहिए, मुझे इतना पैसा चाहिए, मुझे ये कोर्स बेचना है, मुझे ये करना है. It's not going to work.
You need to see the market is responding to
Exactly right. You need to see the right fit for your audience, what they want.
what. And that comes from you eventually executing it to an X amount of hours.
Yes.
जहाँ से आपको खुद पता चलता है कि okay, this is how you design it.
क्योंकि अगर मैंने वो 3-4 महीने 5 महीने 270 लोगों को नहीं दिए होते, तो मैं डिजाइन ही नहीं कर पाता.
Absolutely.
है ना? It's like a product, you are testing your product in the market. That's exactly what I was doing. I was giving free advice and people started coming back to me and telling me, Jackie, it was amazing. I did that exercise. I did a mindful exercise,
Absolutely.
I have changed the whole game of mindfulness practice. What is mindfulness practice? Sitting quietly, closing your eyes, focusing on your breathing. I don't have fucking time to sit 5 minutes for myself. The people, those who are into job, they don't sit for 5 minutes for themselves because they go to work, come back home, they have kids.
They don't want to face they don't even want to face themselves.
Yes.
That's why
So
they don't sit.
That's why I have changed the professional mindfulness practice into an informal mindfulness practice. Why cannot you be meditating while you are brushing your teeth? Why cannot you be meditating while washing the dish? That's where the game is.
मतलब लोगों का नोशन एक ही होता है ना. That's what you're trying to tell. Like एक ही नोशन है कि हाँ आपको बैठना ही पड़ेगा, बाजू में आपके झाड़ होने ही चाहिए, आपको नेचर में होना जरूरी है. I truly believe this that you can be mindful at any point of time.
Exactly
like
right.
I am in zone with you right now. I'm mindful of this present moment.
Exactly right.
It's about being into that moment.
Into that moment.
Rather than कि किसी place पे हो, किसी जगह पे हो, किसी structure में हो. Right? And how beautiful is this? I love this.
Yeah. So it's very important for people to understand. They are breathing. They should be into that zone. You know, they are eating, they should be into that zone. They are talking to their boss, their colleagues, their friends, they should be into that zone. Because when you are in that mindfulness zone every second of your life, you are taking that particular energy from the universe into you. And then you are vibrating at the level of universe.
So I want to ask you this because I'm on a very similar journey, right? I do mentorship.
Yes.
Right? तो मुझे ये चीज़ बड़ी प्यारी लगी आपकी कि you get from people
Yes.
and people don't understand this कि आपको पहले value देना होगा.
हाँ, absolutely.
Right? People go with the intention of seeking first
Yes.
instead of giving first.
हाँ.
That is the entire game जहाँ पे बाजी पलट जाती है.
Absolutely.
And I want to ask you, this is very interesting and curious I am,
हाँ.
कि आपने जब स्टार्ट किया वट एवर एक्स अमाउंट यू अर्न इन दैट फर्स्ट ईयर, एक आपका माइंडसेट
हाँ.
इवॉल्व हुआ कि हाँ मैं ये कर सकता हूँ और ये एक चीज है, एक प्रोफेशन है ये. मेरे लिए भी वो एक माइंडसेट ब्रेक थ्रू था, आई वुड से, कि यू हैव अ स्किल, यू कैन हेल्प पीपल सेव टाइम, मनी, व्हाटएवर, बिल्ड एन एम्पायर, इट्स अ गुड थिंग. नाउ व्हेन यू हैव क्रॉस्ड अ मिलियन इन लाइक नाउ यू स्टार्ट आई थिंक 2020, सो 4 years हो गए आपको ये करते करते बिजनेस. नाउ यस कलिंग, आई वांट टू नो जय किशन का कॉन्फिडेंस और माइंडसेट कैसे शिफ्ट हुआ है आज after crossing that million thing, because it's still a fancy dream for me.
Yes.
And for a lot of people to hit like $1 million. I'm not like million INR.
Yes.
$1 million.
Yes.
Right? कि वो एक होता है. तो
Yes.
what is the change that you have faced? Because now see, money is not a survival thing for you anymore.
Yes.
It was.
It was.
And it is for a lot of people.
Yes.
So how do you shift from this survival mode, build some confidence, and what do you think has now, summarizing this journey, would be your key takeaway?
I think my key takeaway is that do not let your temporary emotions overtake your future.
Correct.
Okay? ठीक है ना? Often क्या होता है, लोग एक इमोशन जो टेम्पररी है, जो पासिंग थिंग है, उसमें पूरी जिंदगी निकाल देते हैं, या महीने निकाल देते हैं, हफ्ते निकाल देते हैं. ठीक है? एंड कमिंग टू दैट, मेकिंग $1 million हैज हेल्प मी टू डाइवर्सिफाई माई इनकम.
Yeah. You said in portfolios and stuff
Exactly
like that.
right. Because let me tell you, हम 10 में I'm turning 40 next month. ठीक है? I will might be working for next 10 years or 15 years max. ठीक है ना? So the first thing I did when I hit million was that how I can diversify. Okay? And with the grace of God, and I'm so thankful that people I'm surrounded with, they are already millionaires and billionaires. You know? So they
You
are
vibrate at the same frequency.
Exactly. So they are helping me to get into investments where I can make money, you
Yeah.
know, like investing into startups, investing into property, investing
Wow.
into cryptos, you know. I have a friend who is an investor in Clubhouse, in SpaceX, you know. So when you are sitting with these people, you learn, you know. And then you make a network. It's like your network is your net worth.
Yeah,
You know?
so true.
So I think that's where I have evolved. I have understood of power of masterminding with the right people.
Right people, yeah, absolutely.
know?
It unlocks another level of
every
opportunities.
2 months, you know, we have this Zoom sessions where we all catch up. You know, we
Yeah,
talk.
what's happening.
We have Zoom drinks going on. You know, because everyone is a different country.
Correct.
Yes, we do meet once in a year or twice once in 2 years, somewhere in the event like in Dubai
Yeah,
or
yeah.
Singapore.
Got it.
You know, और वहाँ से फिर you build more connection. जैसे कोई किसी नए आदमी को मिलता है, वो Zoom पे पता चलता है, met this person, you know, if anybody is interested, let me know, I can hook you up. You know, so that's what I have understood. If you want to go to $1 million, distribution channel.
Obviously.
You know, business is about distribution.
Yeah, it's
The
about
more
network, yeah.
distribution channel you will have, the more income you will have.
Correct.
Awareness multiplies attention equals income.
Got it. I'm asking you another follow-up question here. In this whole journey of 4.5 years, right? You have breakthroughs in terms of traveling around the world. Like सोचो ना, एक बंदा है, मतलब डॉक्टर ने बोला ठीक है आप कभी ऐसे नहीं कर पाओगे, अब आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, आपको दोस्त मिल रहे हैं, यू आर हैविंग दिस Zoom, यू आर शेयरिंग ड्रिंक्स, यू आर लिविंग अ लाइफ दैट पीपल वुड ड्रीम ऑफ.
Yes.
इस पूरी जर्नी में 4.5 साल के अंदर वाज देयर अ पीरियड ऑफ अ सेल्फ डाउट कि ठीक है अब मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बिजनेस कर लिया, आई हैव गॉट कॉन्फिडेंस, 2 साल हुए, एक कोई मोमेंट आता है
हाँ,
where I am asking you this because a lot of people think कि ठीक है एक बार स्टार्ट हो गया तो 4 तो स्मूथ राइड होगी, ऐसे ग्रेजुअली ग्रो किया होगा, बट ऐसा होता नहीं
नहीं है.
So I want them to have a realistic picture कि जय किशन की जर्नी में भी whether you know it started with Forbes, you started coaching, you had some dollars earned. After that, I want you to go to some points where you had the self doubt and how you recovered and what is the importance of it.
Yeah, whenever I go through the self doubt, I go and sit on my wheelchair. मैंने ऐसे ही नहीं बोला रिमाइंडर रखने को फ्रॉम योर डार्केस्ट फेज, फ्रॉम योर फेलियर्स, फ्रॉम योर सेटबैक्स, यू नो. एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो तो सबकी लाइफ में आएगा. इलॉन की लाइफ में भी नाटक चल रहे हैं.
अरे सबकी लाइफ में चलते हैं.
उसको तो बम्बू दे रखे हैं लोगों ने. दे रखे हैं कि नहीं? एवरीबडी इज बिहाइंड हिम, है ना. यूएस गवर्नमेंट वाज बिहाइंड हिम. अभी ट्रम्प आया है ना.
करेक्ट. जो
आदमी वर्ल्ड्स रिचेस्ट पर्सन रह चुका है, यू नो, वो बंदे के पीछे भी लोग लगे हैं, उसके भी बुरे दिन आ रहे हैं. तो यार तुम्हारे और मेरे क्यों नहीं आएंगे, है ना. बिकॉज लाइफ तो ऐसे ही है ना यार, एंड ऑफ द डे.
करेक्ट.
बट हाउ यू बाउंस बैक फ्रॉम दोज डेज एंड दोज थॉट्स, दैट मैटर्स मोस्ट, है ना. और फॉर मी, मेरा इंस्पिरेशन मेरा व्हील चेयर है. यू नो, आई सिट देयर, इट्स इन माई गैराज. गाड़ी खड़ी नहीं करते हम उसमें, गाड़ी ड्राइववे में खड़ी रहती है, ठीक है. व्हील चेयर है, मैं जाके बैठता हूँ 10-15 मिनट, कभी कभी आधा घंटा, एंड आई जस्ट क्लोज माई आईज एंड आई जस्ट अप्रिशिएट कि यार जय किशन, व्हाट द फक यू वांट, यू नो. लाइक मैं ही राजा हूँ. Just joking, but
नहीं, this is very important. I am glad that you brought this up. पता है, दिमाग में ना दो आवाजें होनी चाहिए. एक होती है ह्यूमिलिटी की और एक होती है किंग की.
Yes.
Right. Like as you said, आप देखो जब उस चेयर पे जाके बैठ रहे हो, you are being humble enough to remind yourself, okay, you remember this face, right? Jay, you remember this face, right? And then once you sit on this and once you have that intention कि अब यहाँ से तू उठा तो तू है राजा भाई, तू है. And I think people need to understand this. If you don't support yourself, who will? सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट तो आपकी ही सेल्फ टॉक है.
Nobody.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट तो आपकी ही सेल्फ टॉक है. अगर आप अप्रिशिएट नहीं करोगे कि यार नीरज, तू, आई वॉज ऑन पेन किलर फॉर 6 months. राइट. आई रिमेंबर मैंने पहली बार जब सर घुमाया था, मेरे आंखों से आंसू आ गए थे और मुंह से आवाज नहीं आई थी. इट वाज दैट पेनफुल. राइट. कंपेयर टू दैट एनी अदर पेन इज नथिंग. राइट. अगर मैं ग्रेटफुल नहीं रहूंगा और मैं अप्रिशिएट नहीं करूंगा कि यार इट इज अ बिग फकिंग थिंग टू डू. इट इज.
एंड सी, दैट्स व्हाट माय लाइफ ऑन व्हीलचेयर हैज टॉट मी, to be fearless in life. And when you are fearless, you do not worry how steep the mountain is. Initially, when I started talking about my story and started talking about the women's in my life, my mother, my daughter, my wife, my sister, मुझे इतने मैसेज आए हैं ना, that we literally loved the way you have talked about the ladies and the women's in your life. You know, because it's hardly to see a person appreciating the women's in their life doing such things for them. Because somewhere they are scared that what people will think, कि ये लोग क्या सोचेंगे, you know. मेरे को मेरी माँ ने पैसे मांग के बचाया, मेरी बीवी ने मेरे कपड़े बदले,
करेक्ट,
है ना. मेरी सिस्टर मेरे को सपोर्ट कर रही थी, एक 9 महीने की बच्ची ने मुझे होप दिया. सो दैट्स व्हाट पीपल स्टार्टेड अप्रिशिएटिंग. जब मैंने ट्रूली उनको अपना इमोशन शेयर किया, लाइक लिटरली आई केम आउट विद दैट. आई वाज लाइक, दिस आर द पीपल.
And I tell this to people, it's very fascinating. I tell this to people is that one thing you should never keep to yourself is gratitude.
Oh, never.
Let it go.
Let it expand.
और उसमें कोई जेंडर बायसनेस नहीं होती.
नहीं,
कोई नहीं होती. ये हम बनाते हैं नोशन. देखो, भगवान ने या किसी ने भी कोई भी नोशन नहीं बनाया.
नहीं.
आप देखो 42 जेंडर बना दो, जो जितने करना है डेफिनेशंस क्रिएट कर लो. दैट इज अस डूइंग इट.
एग्जैक्टली.
ग्रेटिट्यूड का कोई जेंडर है ही नहीं.
नो, इट्स सेम फॉर एवरीवन.
इट्स सेम फॉर एवरीवन. व्हाई डू वी हैव दिस नोशन? और जिस दिन आप इस चीज से आजाद हो जाते हो ना कि आप जजमेंट से फ्री हो गए हो. एंड आई वांट टू लास्टली समराइज दिस होल कन्वर्सेशन विद मनी एंड हाउ, जैसे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, आपने जो यूनिवर्स की हमने बात की थी, राइट. यू योरसेल्फ, जैसे ओशन होता है ना, आई हैव हर्ड दिस फ्रॉम एलन वॉट्स, इज आप अगर एक वेव हो,
Yes.
रिपल हो
Ripple.
ओशन के अंदर, राइट? यू आर टेम्पररी इटसेल्फ, यू आर पार्ट ऑफ दिस होल, यू आर द ओशन,
Yes.
यू आर द यूनिवर्स.
Yes.
आप जो अपनी आइडेंटिटी को कैरी कर रहे हो ना, दैट इज जस्ट अ टेम्पररी फेज, जैसे एक वेव होती है
हाँ.
और वो 5 मिनट बाद शांत हो जाती है.
शांत हो
आपका बस 5 मिनट एक जिंदगी है,
हाँ.
एक जिंदगी है.
Exactly.
सो वंस यू रियलाइज दैट यू आर ओशन इटसेल्फ, आपकी एग्जिस्टेंस अलग से कुछ है ही नहीं.
Absolutely.
यू आर द यूनिवर्स इटसेल्फ.
Exactly right.
यू स्टार्ट कमांडिंग द यूनिवर्स कि
Absolutely.
यार अगर मैं ही सब कुछ हूं एंड मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूं,
Hmm.
you know the concept of nothing and
Yeah,
everything. When
everything,
you
yes.
become nothing, you become everything as well.
Everything, हाँ.
But nothing comes from surrender.
Surrender.
और आप अगर आप मनी से लिमिटेड हो, बाइंडेड हो, किसी भी चीज से बाइंडेड हो, then you are always limited with one act. You will never be able to enjoy the true power of
No.
this universe, right? मेरे में भी था ये, और लड़कों में ये ज्यादा होता है
हाँ हाँ.
स्टिग्मा, बिकॉज मम्मी पापा जो भी बहन भाई सब वो आपसे एक ही चीज पूछते हैं, भाई तू जाए भाई पैसा देगा, राखी बंधन आया भाई पैसा देगा, कुछ और फंक्शन होगा भाई पैसा देगा. यू आर कंडीशनड लाइक दैट, यू हैव टू गिव 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 गिव.
Exactly.
मेरे को आज भी याद है, मेरे को जब पहली बार ऐसे कुछ रिटर्न में मिला था तो मैं बोला यार ये तो अच्छा लगता है, फील अच्छा होता है, कभी कभी कोई दे भी जाए
दे
तो,
भी जाए तो.
है ना? तो I love the whole conversation that we have had so far. I think I'm so very grateful. I feel this is not the last podcast and a
No.
beginning of a lot of learnings
Yes.
coming to my way.
No.
This is a God's blessing to me to have met you through Threads,
Oh,
to be able to have this first podcast of you in Mumbai itself, and it has been an utmost honor of my life to be able to have just this conversation, irrespective of the podcast.
Absolutely.
And I am sure this will help a lot of people out there. And I want to sometimes be on that Zoom call with you guys, discussing my journey so far with you people. Because see, it's a new thing for me,
No.
internationally.
Yes.
Right? And I'm always open to learn.
Yes.
Be open to learn.
Same.
Be courageous. What do you have to lose?
And courage is contagious, you know. So I think, and that's what we want to spread. That's what we want to put out there, that if we can do it, you can do it too. And
Absolutely.
That's what, that's the reason why we are here.
या 2 डेथ सर्वाइवर बैठे हुए हैं, यू नो, यू हैव अचीव्ड एक्स नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, आई हैव अचीव्ड एक्स नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, राइट? वो हमारे टाइटल्स में दिख जाता है. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दोस टाइटल्स, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी बीइंग नीरज, यू आर वेरी हैप्पी बीइंग जय किशन.
Yes.
दैट इज द बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट ऑफ माय लाइफ.
Exactly right.
मेरे को किसी टाइटल की जरूरत नहीं
नहीं,
है.
नहीं.
नीरज इज हैप्पी बीइंग नीरज भाई, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मेरे को नीरज होने से. एंड दैट इज वेयर आई वुड लाइक टू सम अप दिस पॉडकास्ट. थैंक यू सो मच for appearing, and that's the podcast for today.
My pleasure. Thank you, Neeraj. Thanks for having me.
Thank you. So जितने भी लोग हमारे पॉडकास्ट को देखते हैं, a lot of you guys have not yet subscribed, तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, बिकॉज आपके एक सब्सक्राइब से मुझे और मेरी टीम को बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन मिलती है, एंड वी कैन हेल्प अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आउट देयर. एंड आज का जो पॉडकास्ट था, आई एम श्योर दैट यू गाइज वुड हैव लव्ड इट. सो डेफिनेटली हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड कीप ड्रीमिंग.